9 resume mistakes you should avoid. Let's talk about it on Kyle Talks Money. Okay, you're looking for a job and you're polishing up your resume, your CV, your experiences, whatever you want to call that piece of paper. It's the first thing hiring managers will look at and instantly decide whether to interview you or throw your resume in the trash. The worst thing you can do in this situation is to mess up your resume. So don't. Here are 9 resume mistakes you should avoid. 1. Typing and grammatical errors. Not proofreading your work shows that you do not care enough or have not put in effort. Number 2. Using the same resume everywhere. A generic one-size-fits-all resume might be tossed straight into the bin because it shows that you are lazy. Customize accordingly. Number 3. Not being specific. Simply stating your experience role is not enough. Mention examples and any relevant figures or statistics. Number 4. Making the resume too short or too long. Don't squeeze all your impressive achievements into one page just because you have been told to. Similarly, don't add redundant information. Number 5. Visually unappealing resume. A resume should not be wall-to-wall text in 5 different fonts. Structure it well. Be consistent. Number 6. Missing or incorrect contact information. Ensure your contact information is up to date, otherwise this might be the reason you miss out on a great offer. Number 7. Not using action verbs. Avoid using phrases like responsible for. Instead, use action verbs like developed blank to show your initiative and improve your resume's overall tone. Number 8. Highlighting job duties. Use the resume to showcase your accomplishments and professional endeavors, not the job description. And number 9. Using too much jargon. Avoid using too much jargon, cliches, excessively complex vocabulary. It distorts your application, makes it look like you're showing off. A good resume is only part of the equation. You'll also need to do well in your interviews. Good for you, I've made a video about that as well. What are your thoughts? What job are you applying for? Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Here's a video you may be interested in. Go ahead and watch it. Learn something new. And as always, take care of your money.